magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Pakiwin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Different backgrounds, one premier education.
Here, there are no borders.
This is our school.
This is our home.
Beyond borders, beyond barriers, from Bicolana dreams to international horizons, NCF is where everyone belongs.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game.
First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Bilang magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You come for the school, but stay for the people.
Dito, we learn independence, pero solid pa rin ang support system.
Sa NCF, bawat sulok may saya, suporta at pagkakataong maging ikaw.
Pakiuin ko na po lahat yan.
Humble beginning, global end. NCF, world-class affordable education for every Filipino family.
Invest in your dreams. We'll handle the innovation-powered excellence.
This is how we lead the future.
Sa NCF, tambayans are not just tambayans. They are a place to vibe with your people. It's where Tigers connect. And sometimes, it's also the best place para huminga. This is where our stories stay long after we leave college. The quiet witness of how we built our future.
Different backgrounds, one premier education.
Here, there are no borders.
This is our school.
This is our home.
Beyond borders, beyond barriers, from Bicolano dreams to international horizons, NCF is where everyone belongs.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best kinder tomorrow. Kinder tomorrow.
Naga College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With a digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adapting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and Tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Bilang magulang, importante for me na ligtas sila at masaya sa school.
At NCF, the energy just feels right. You
Mr. Jared Dillinger, Coach Sanyin, City Sports Director Francis Barha and team, Mr. Denise Peña, Mr. Osmundo Francia, Mrs. Nelba Olaso and team, Mr. Jack Claro and wife, Mr. Robert Carcido and Jump Point Alan Augusto, Mayor Tom Picajo and Miss Joanna Bocago, Papa Omar, Adrian Litam, Miss Emma Villafuerte, Mr. Joe Sabal, Mr. Bob Rivera, Alvin Lumberio, Coach Miguel Perez, Coach Noel, Coach JP, Solomon Mo, Iriga Councilor Jeff Pino, Iriga Councilor Nikki Lagrimas, Vice Mayor Jay Abante, Philip Olivan, Molly Ayo, Attorney BJ Importante, Cody Torrejeros, Adam Salas, Cap Luntok, and Cap Rito. Thank you so much, our VIPs. ever male courtside reporter in Bicol, your commentator, and I will be your host for this afternoon. Allow me to welcome you all because this is Oragon Basketball League Season 2. Again, allow me to welcome you all because this is Oragon Basketball League Season 2 WB and Sophia Cup. Right here, right now, we are live at the Naga College Foundation Tigers covered court. And let me tell you, the energy in this building is electrifying. This is Bicol's Premier League. The region's finest, fiercest warriors come to battle for the ultimate glory. And syempre, walang kupunan kung walang fans. So let's hear it up for our fans. Nasaan ang supporters ng USI Falcons? And syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang supporters ng ating OBL defending champions, the NCF Tigers! Ayun, naririnig na natin ang mga fans. And before we tip things off, let's give a massive thunderous to all our guests, our VIPs, and the basketball community gathered here today. So let's hear some noise, everyone! Oragon style! Ayun, talagang tatak na mga Oragon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we unleash the storm of the hardwood, let us take a moment of silence to ground ourselves, give thanks, and ask for safety for all our athletes today. Please bow our heads for the opening prayer to be led by Miss Prem Nacario, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. Heavenly Father, we gather today with hearts full of anticipation and spirit as we approach the finals of the Oragon Basketball League. We thank you for the gift of this game, for the camaraderie it fosters, and for the talents you have bestowed upon every athlete on the court. For our athletes, Lord, we place these players into your loving hands. Grant them strength, endurance, and focus as they compete. We pray for your protection over every participant. Keep them safe for injury, accidents, and harm. May they play with intensity and passion, but always with respect for one another and the spirit of fair play. Let their actions on the court be a testament to their dedication and character. For brotherhood, bless this league with a spirit of unity. May the rivalry on the court never overshadow the brotherhood we share off the court. Help these athletes to see each other not just as opponents, but as a teammates in life. Bound by a shared love for the game, may this final match strengthen our community, encourage kindness, and leave us with lasting bonds that go far beyond the final buzzer. In remembrance, most importantly, Lord, we pause to honor the memory of those who are no longer with us. We lift up the souls of Rene and Divine to your eternal care. We thank you for the time they shared with us and the impact they had in our lives. May they find peace and rest in your heavenly kingdom, and may their families and loved ones feel comforting presence during this time as we play today. We play in their honor, keeping their memory alive in our hearts, and in the spirit of this league, we entrust this final game to you, asking that your grace to be present in every moment. Amen.
Magiliw, pelas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng warhatid pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
All right, Bicol, it's time to officially open the gates. To give us our official opening remarks, please put your hands together and give a warm welcome to the mastermind himself, our Oragon Basketball League Head Commissioner, Mr. Michael Ko.
Hello, Sir Mario Villanueva, Idol Jared, my co-commissioners and basketball fans. Good afternoon. In behalf of the organizers, the coaches, family and friends, I'd like to welcome you to the championship game between two of the most organized teams and competitive teams here in Naga, the NCF Tigers and the USI Falcons. Today, we celebrate not only competitiveness, but sportsmanship and friendship. Hopefully, our dream is to have a player coming from both of these teams competing in a higher level like our idol Jared. Hopefully, you become the player's inspiration. So, good luck, play safe, and enjoy the games, everybody.
Thank you so much, Commissioner Michael Ko. Oragons, we are in the house that excellence built. And to give his welcome speech, let us show some massive love to the leader, the visionary, the president of Naga College Foundation, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva.
Thank you. To Mr. Michael Ko, without your support and your vision for Bicol basketball, we would not be here today. So maraming salamat, Michael, our OBL Head Commissioner. And of course, kung wala ang ating mga leaders dito, si John. Let's all give John Salvador a big hand, also our Commissioner. And si J.R. Castillo. J.R. Ayun, nandun. Alright? Maraming salamat. And of course, to our guest today, ang ating Ginebra Tower of Power, Jared Dillinger. Thank you for attending today's championship. Welcome to everyone, to all the fans of the NCF Tigers, the fans of OBL, the fans of USI Falcons. Maraming salamat. This game today proved, alam naman natin na NCF Tigers may import, di ba? And some teams are saying, bakit may import ang NCF? Tapos yung iba wala, di ba? And of course, si Sir Michael maintain na kahit walang import, a team can match the NCF Tigers or any team with an import. And the USI proved that. Congratulations! Hindi sigurado na kung may import panalo. You have leveled up to where you can beat any team. Kaya sobrang practice ng NCF Tigers ngayon. Alright, and of course to the NCF Tigers, thank you for the alumni. NCF Tigers, taas ka na ng kamay. Yan. Thank you for your support. And of course, to everyone, maraming salamat for supporting the Bicol basketball. And we hope from this tournament, we can produce another Jared Dillinger that will go to the PBA. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the game.
Thank you so much, our Mr. President, the King Tiger. Now, Oregon basketball fans, are you ready for a little extra inspiration today? Because we have here a true icon in the building, a PBA legend, a multi-time champion, and a man who knows exactly what it takes to win at the highest level. Get on your feet and make some noise for the one, the only, Mr. Jared Dillinger.
Guys, wow, so much. I'm a little speechless, to be honest. I just moved here about 2 months ago, and I've been welcomed so graciously by the sports community here in Naga. This is going to be my first game, and I'm going to be watching here. So I want to wish you guys, USI, NCF, good luck today, you guys. I'm going to be looking for some really good basketball today. You know, I want to give thanks to John Salvador, President Villanueva, Coach SR, the co-commissioners that I just met when I got in here. And I hope that what I gained through my experience in the PBA on Gilas, from all the years that I've been playing for almost 20 years, I can bring that knowledge, the network, the information that I learned and put it here in the community here in Naga. So again, you guys, thank you so much for welcoming my family. Let's see some good basketball today. I know you guys don't want too many of us talking. I just want to see some hoops, just as much of you guys. So good luck to both teams, and let's do it. Thank you.
All right, what a legendary and incredible message from Jared Dillinger. Thank you, sir. Now, it's time to make it official. We need our heavy hitters on the court for the moment we've all been waiting for. May we please have Sir Mario Villanueva, Sir Jared Dillinger, and Sir Michael Go to step up to the center circle. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the official ceremonial toss. Cameras up, phones out. On 3, 2, 1, let's fly! Again, that is our official ceremonial toss for this championship match, the USI Falcons versus the NCF Tigers. Right now, we are passing the floor over to our OBL officials for the SBP final briefing. Players, listen up. It's time to establish the rules of engagement before the war begins. This is it. The moment of truth has arrived. Coming in with the heart of a champion, ready to take over. Make some noise for the USI Falcons!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's meet the players of the USI Falcons. First off, at jersey number 22, John Michael Del Rosso. At jersey number 3, Rick Pilar Osibor. At jersey number 19, Justin Sangabriel. At jersey number 25, Lorenz Del Rosario. At jersey number 24, Jeffrey James Quijano. At number 13, Jeter Look. At number 18, John Paul Dulce. At jersey number 30, Carl Noel Quesada. At number 17, Rafael Cyril Robolo. At number 33, Jeffrey Moore Boita. At number 1, Carmelo Anthony Grabota. At number 5, Ralph Lambel Cirjuelos. At number 71, Russell I. Dulce. At number 81, James De Los Lopez. And number 14, Dante Chiar Batungas. At number 2, Sean Angelic Baibal. And at number 2, Mr. Christopher Espinosa. And the coaching staff, Sir Jeffrey Blaze, Raymond Jim Tria, and Mark De Guerra.
And now, defending their home turf with pride and passion, give it up for the NCF Tigers!
Starting off at jersey number 62, Andrew Jose Flores. At jersey number 23, Teodomero Pujera. At jersey number 20, Franco Mose. At jersey number 1, Jake Palillo. At number 10, James Nuada. At number 25, James Andre Balame. At jersey number 18, Mumuni Jr. At number 32, Mike John Adon. At number 24, William Aranzano. At number 3, JV Labandero.
jersey number 88, Joseph Palaje. At number 00, Turel Andre Realo. At number 22, Rico Vinculado. At number 4, Joshua Baliboy. At number 91, John Angelo Vilian. At number 40, Rojan Belros. At number 11, Jake Raymond Diamante. And lastly, at number 3, John Benedict Borromeo. Headed by the coach, Sir Brian Ayo, assistant coaches, Dante Pascual, Sir Joshua Ayo, and Saul Pilar. Two Oragon powerhouse teams, one fourth, one ultimate powerhouse. Who will be the ultimate powerhouse in Bicol? Is it the USI Falcons or the NCF Tigers? It's game time!
Bicol region and beyond. This is Oragon Basketball League Season 2, WB and Sofia Gold Trends BDS, and today we will witness history. This is the biggest game of the season. This is not just another basketball game. This is the culmination of the entire season's journey. One team will only have the right to be called the champions. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the NCF Tigers, the defending champion, facing off against the USA Falcons. we will be with you throughout this game. I am Jasper Abante, and with me is Kyla Casolia.
Yes, Jasper. Good afternoon, Oragons. Kaabang-abang po ang ating matchup for this afternoon. Alam kong marami na ang nakaabang for the finals game. For today, of course, the defending champion NCF Tigers maghaharap sa powerhouse na USA Falcons. This is a very exciting game. And of course, Jasper, the both team are really prepared for this game. Kaya kaabang-abang ang matchup na ito. Pag-usapan naman natin ang dalawang koponan, ang NCF and the USA Falcons, Jasper.
Yes, Kyla.
Yes, of course, itong ating NCF Tigers, nag-jump kaagad sila dito sa final round matapos nilang matalo itong USA Falcons during the quarter-final round. And of course, ito namang ating USA Falcons, they fought between the UNC Greyhounds at nanalo sila doon, kaya sila ang maghaharap for this afternoon.
Yes, Kyla, and this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter on the side of the Naga College Foundation. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kate. Kate, anong balita natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper and Kyla, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. This is Oragon Basketball League Season 2. I am Kate Catherine De La Torre reporting from the sideline of the NCF Tigers. And welcome to the final game of this tournament. The atmosphere here are electric as the powerhouse of the NCF Tigers collide with the USI Falcon for the ultimate crown. The boys have put into the work and the strategy is locked in, and they're now ready to leave everything on the hard court. And speaking of strategy, joining right now is the mastermind behind the Tigers' incredible run for this season. Let us all welcome the head coach of the NCF Tigers, Coach Brian Ayo. So Coach, firstly, congratulations kagad because we are now in the final battles. So with this season po, ano po ba yung masasabi mo, especially that the team are now for the finals?
First of all, we are very thankful na nasa finals kami ngayon. And very thankful ako sa players kasi yung effort nila from a rank 2 team, nakapasok kami ng finals. And I know they gave everything, so hopefully this game, mapakita namin yung game plan namin and hope for the best.
Alright, with this game po ba, ano pa yung main reminder mo, Coach, to the team to make sure na maipananalo yung laro kalaban yung USI Falcons?
Yung reminders ko sa kanila, just stick sa napag-usapan namin, sa preparation namin, and yung game plan namin from 2 weeks down, ma-execute namin. So, and also, we play our best kasi it's a one-game final, so all out na kami.
Alright, at this point, Coach, any message to our supporters and most especially sa ating live viewers na nanonood ngayon?
First of all, thank you sa Naga College Foundation sa support kay President Sir Mario Villanueva, kay Ma'am Ulaso, kay Sir Bing, and also to our new head of operation, Coach Wesley Villanueva. Thank you so much po, and I invite everyone na nanonood ngayon, come here sa Naga College Foundation to watch and witness the finals between NCF Tigers and USI Falcons.
Alright, that's it. Thank you so much, Coach Brian. And that's it. Kaya abangan ang matinding bakbakan live here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. And of course, thank you, Coach Brian, for sharing your preparation with us. Jasper, kanina nga nabanggit ni Coach Brian that they are ranked 2 during the elimination round. Dahil nga dun sa pagkatalo nila sa second round of elimination between USA Falcons and NCF Tigers. And nakabawi sila that, and kaya tumawid sila for the final round. Kaya naman napakinggan natin na they are very thankful na makapasok ulit dito sa final round.
Yes, and of course, this time, humingi naman tayo ng update on the side of the USI Falcons. Nandiyan na ng ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Titingnan natin kung sino yung kasama niya dyan, Kyla. Casey, take it away.
Marhay na daw, Bicolandia! The wait is finally over because this is the moment every team has been working on since day one. Welcome to the much-awaited finals round of Oragon Basketball League Season 2, where only 2 teams remain standing after a season filled with determination, sacrifice, and unforgettable moments. This is Casey Anchokya bringing you the heat all the way from the side of USI Falcons. And to know more about the Falcons finals preparation, we have here the one and only Coach Tope Espinosa. Now, Coach, first of all, congratulations for reaching the finals round. Now, looking back, what's the biggest transformation you've seen in the Falcons na talagang nagdala dito sa finals?
Siguro yung maturity talaga ng team. It's been 3 years. 3 years na namin pinaghahandaan to. Now, nandito na kami sa championship. One step closer sa inaasam-asam namin na collegiate championship. From nothing. We started from nothing talaga. Pero pinagtiyagaan namin, pinagtrabahuhan namin. Nakakuha kami ng support from other people dahil sa nakita nilang effort na ginagawa namin. Ngayon, this is our chance to prove na kahit hindi kami ganon ka blessed ng mga support galing sa iba-ibang sponsors, pero still may mga naniniwala sa amin at sapat na yon para ipaglaban namin at kunin namin yung championship para sa lahat ng sumusupport sa amin. USI, para sa inyo to.
Alright, Coach, may iba naman tayo. If there's one thing you want your players to remember when they step onto the court today, what would that be and why?
Yung ano lang, yung palagi naming nire-remind sa kanila na it's not about the skills. Para sa amin, family kaming lalaban. Whatever, kahit sinong makaharap namin, yun lang yung pinakalaban namin. Maglalaban kami together, lalaban kami as a family. Hindi kami susuko, hindi namin bibitawan to. Lalaban kami simula hanggang matapos.
Ayan, finally, Coach, baka may message ka for the Falcons community, the students, alumni, and everyone who are cheering on you today.
Okay, to the USI community, thank you. Thank you kasi binigyan nyo kami ng opportunity para makapag-perform, makapaglaro, maka-join sa tournament na to showcase our talent. Hindi namin kayo bibigay namin ang lahat. Yung mga nasa live, thank you for the support. May available space pa dito, pwede pa kayong manood. Yung USI Falcons, ilalaban kayo. I-represent namin yung USI sa best na kaya namin. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach, and best of luck for the entire USI Falcons. And there you have it, Bicolandia. The Falcons are locked in, focused, and ready to give it everything they've got in this championship battle. Stay tuned because in just a few moments, we'll witness two of the league's finest teams battle it out for one goal, the OBL Season 2 Championship. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the USI Falcons. Ayun nga, Kyla, narinig natin, all in na kung all in itong ating USI Falcons. Lock in na kung lock in para makapagtapat sila ng magandang laban against dito sa ating defending champions of the Oragon Basketball League, NCF Tigers. Nako, Kyla, napakagandang laban and napaka-quality laban yung nag-aantay sa atin ngayong hapon na ito dahil last game na to for this season, but this is the biggest game. Ayan. Alright, so this time ipapakilala ng ating officials yung maglalaro for this game. Ayan, yung mga officials natin from SBP Naga City Elite Referees. Ayan, we can also see na nandyan ang ating FIBA Commissioner,
okay,
Mr.
our officiating officials. We have our co-chief referee, Johar Corong. Our umpire number 1, Sir Edmund Paraon. Our umpire number 2, Rory Malevisa.
We'll start our game with a tip-off.
Benson, Sir Taong Tor. Yun. Good afternoon, sir.
And this time, we will be starting our game with the tip-off. It's Jimo and Berse. Ayan, magtatapat po sa gitna for the tip-off. Who will get that first ball possession? Ayan, Kyla. first ball possession nga dito ng ating NCF Tigers. We will see kung anong simula yung ipapakita nila for this game because binog ang bola, Kyla. Napakaraming pwedeng mangyari for this game. And of course, live na live tayo ngayon dito sa ating NCF covered court and also sa ating Facebook pages. We have Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga, and of course Oragon Basketball League. Ayan, yung mga ating bahay natin. Of course, tutok lamang po kayo sa ating live stream dahil maya-maya lamang ay magsa-shoutout tayo, Kyla.
And of course, Jasper, sa mga gusto pang manood, live na live tayo dito sa NCF Covered Court. Marami pa pong space. Pwede pa kayong humabol.
Maluwag na maluwag pa, Kyla. Now, back to the ball game. It's the ball possession of the USI Falcons. Posada, nagdadala ngayon ng bola. And now, Doloso, well guarded here by jersey number 25, Balane. Now, Posada with that pull-up jumper. Look at that shot. Good start for the USI Falcons. Napakagandang start naman para dito sa kanila. NCF Tigers. Anong sagot yung gagawin dito?
Sunod-sunod na offensive rebound ang pinapakita dito ng Tigers.
Pero nakikita natin, Kyla, yung higpit ng depensa nitong ating USI Falcons. Hindi basta-basta nakaka-penetrate itong ating NCF Tigers pagdating sa kanilang mga opensa. Now 62 with that baseline inbound. William Aranzana.
Missed opportunity for the NCF Tigers. Sayang nung mga opportunity na yon for the Tigers.
Unsuccessful with that slam is Jimo Momoni of the NCF Tigers. Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating USI Falcons. Posada with that baseline inbound. Del Rosario. Now Doloso. That will be a turnover. Look at that. Missed opportunity para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Now Jimo, didiretso. Look at that. What a powerful slam right there by Jimo Momoni for the NCF Tigers. Struggling with that ball is Del Rosario and another turnover right there. Grabe yung mga pangyayari, Kyla. Let's take a look at that. Jimo Momoni. Wow! Grabe.
Let's see if magtuloy-tuloy ang swerte dito kay Jimo.
First quarter pa lang yun, Kyla. And on that last sequence, the same ball possession para dito sa ating NCF Tigers.
And that's a foul for Justin San Gabriel. 8 minutes and 31 seconds in our first quarter. All two para dito sa ating dalawang koponan.
Now Jimo once again, Balane on the outside. Jersey number 62, didiretso. Now Aranzana to Jimo once again. But a foul right there. Nakakaraming foul itong si Jimo pag siya yung nagdadala ng bola. Still ball possession dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Baseline inbound. Jimo. And a turnover right there. Ball possession po ngayon ng ating USI Falcons.
Another chance for the Falcons.
Now, San Gabriel. Posada. Successful sa pagtawid ng bola. Del Rosario on the outside. Doloso. Now Del Rosario with that fake. Look at that connection to Posada. Yan yung kailangan nila dito, Kyla, para makapagpunto sila against the NCF Tigers. Good connection yung nakita natin doon.
Good connection, good chemistry dito sa Falcons. Grabe. Maagang nagpapakitang gilas ang USA Falcons. They are really determined to win for this afternoon.
He's still right there. NCF Tigers. William Arenzana. Look at that powerful shot. Grabe. Good layup. William Arenzana for the NCF Tigers. Yes, ay Falcons. Russell Berse. Now, to Del Rosario. Pull-up jumper and that's good.
Wow, another pull-up jumper for Del Rosario. His signature move. Talagang pasok na pasok.
Palitan lang tayo dito, Kyla, ng puntos.
Exactly, Jasper.
Now, Jimo, heavily guarded by Berse. Hirap na hirap, pero Jimo successful. Grabe yung palitan ng puntos, Kyla. Dikit na dikit ang laban. USA Falcons. A whistle right there. Handcheck ang itatawag dyan kay jersey number 62 ng Tigers. Sideline inbound para naman dito kay San Gabriel of the USA Falcons. Now Del Rosario to Doloso. On the outside, Berse. Nasa loob na ngayon, heavily guarded. Napakaraming bantay pero Berse. 2 free throws ang makukuha dito.
Grabe, Jasper. First quarter pa lang, dikit na kaagad ang laban dito.
Yes, Kyla, first quarter pa lang, napakarami nang nangyayari dito sa ating laban.
Wow, good on his first shot.
Now for his second shot, Russell Berse. Unsuccessful. Now NCF Tigers on their offense. Jimo slips and jersey number 10 for 3 and that's good.
That was James Nawada.
Wow.
Of the NCF Tigers. Back on that last sequence. Look at that instant replay. Wow.
After
Pumasok.
bounds. Yes. Nako, speaking of James Nawada, he has the chance to become the season's MVP.
Yes.
Silang dalawa ni William Arenzana for NCF Tigers. While on the other hand, yes, ay Falcons, nandyan rin si Burse and si Jolar Casibor.
Yes.
So, aabangan natin mamaya kung sino yung magiging season's MVP. Nako, kaabang-abang yan, Kyla.
So they are the candidate for the
Yes.
season's MVP for this league.
Now, USI Falcons. San Gabriel sasagot ng 3. Unsuccessful. Now, offensive rebound by NCF Tigers. Nawada on the outside. Jimo. Back to Nawada. To Jimo. Unsuccessful with the 2 attempts. USI Falcons. A strong pass right there by Posada. A miscue para doon sa kanilang dalawa ni Doloso. Now, ball possession ng ating NCF Tigers.
97, 5 minutes and 51 seconds in our first quarter. We can see that the determination of the both team to really get this win. Dahil Jasper, wala na tayong game 2. We only have
Yes,
this game. Ang mananalo lang dito, siya ang makakakuha ng championship. So no more second chance here.
Ayan, napakainit ng mga ganap dito sa ating first quarter. Jersey number 25, Balane of the NCF Tigers. Matatawagan dito ng technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior. Now, NCF Tigers, rejection by San Gabriel, but out of bounds as the NCF Tigers will take that same ball possession. Now, jersey number 10, Nuwada, on the outside, open for 3, but unsuccessful on his attempt. What a rejection right there by Berse. Unsuccessful pa rin on his triple, San Gabriel. Let's take a look on our instant replay. Malinaw na malinaw, Kyla.
Yes.
A block right there by Russell.
Lumalaban itong si Berse dito kay Jimo. Talagang he is not, Arenzana, hindi siya bothered sa height. Talagang nakikisabayan siya.
Yes, Kyla. But this time, still unsuccessful on the triple. James Nuwada di diretso, but a whistle foul. Grabe. Well, the NCF Tigers, both of these teams must be careful. Ayan, Kyla, dahil pares na sila warning on penalty situation.
Yes, exactly.
Mahaba pa yung oras na natitira for our first quarter. Now, jersey number 62. Now, USI Falcons lock. Jersey number 13. Looking for his teammate Asibor. Now, Jolart di diretso. Unsuccessful defensive rebound by Jimo. Now, jersey number 62, Guaves. Di diretso ngayon, walang alinlangan. Look at that layup. Guaves rather. Jersey number 62. A good shot right there. NCF Tigers still leading this game. 13-7 is our score.
Good shot coming from Quijano.
Now, NCF Tigers, Guades once again on the outside, heavily guarded by Rabalo. Now, Nuwada to Jimo with 6 seconds on the shot clock, but it's still coming from Jolart Asabor. What a connection right there!
Wow!
Back-to-back points for Quijano.
Yan yung sinasabi nating napakagandang connection ng USA Falcons dito sa game na to.
Look at that spin shot by William Arenzana. Grabe. This is the connection of Asibor and Quijano. Napakagandang chemistry yung pinapakita, but this time, Arenzana spins. Grabe. Napakaganda. So we'll see kung makakakuha ba ng 3-point play opportunity itong si William Arenzana. But as we can see, Quijano is on the free throw line.
Of course, on the other hand, Balidoy is in for the Tigers. Another shot for Quijano. 3 minutes and 30 seconds here on our first quarter. Guades heavily guarded here, and still coming from Asipor with that layup. That's good for Julark Asipor.
Grabe. Asipor doing good for USI Falcons. Now, jersey number 62, Guades. Di diretso ngayon. But a whistle. Let's take a look on our instant replay. Still and shoot yung ginawa dito nitong si Julark Asipor. Look at that steal and a shot right there. Good performance para dito kay Julark Asipor. But both of these teams are on penalty situation na ngayon, Kyla.
Yes.
And as we can see, William Arenzana standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Second shot for William Arenzana. Unsuccessful. Now, Locke with a defensive rebound. Asipor di diretso. Burse on the triple. But unsuccessful. Now, Nuwada. Jersey number 4. Look at that. No hesitation shot. Grabe. Now, USA Falcons Locke with that fake. And unsuccessful for that second attempt. Let's take a look at our instant replay. No hesitation shot by jersey number 4 of the Tigers.
A good rookie from the NCF Tigers, Balido.
William Arenzana, look at that! Nagkakapakpak na Kyla yung mga Tigers natin dito sa ating first quarter. Lumilipad is William Arenzana on that last sequence. Locke on the free throw line, basket for his first free throw.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 18 seconds.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating mga live viewers. We have Aiza Robles, RD Vargas, Sofia Recto. Ayan, happy viewing po sa lahat ng ating viewers na nanonood sa Facebook page ng Oragon Sports TV. Now, back to the ball game. Jersey number 0. Look at that shot. 2 points para dito kay jersey number 0.
That was Rialo of the Tigers.
$22-15 is our score dito sa ating first quarter, and 1 minute and 50 seconds yung natitira na lang po dito sa ating game clock. Asipor getting that first free throw. Titingnan natin kung maibababa pa kailan itong ating USI Falcons yung lamang dito ng ating Tigers. Now, NCF Tigers making a change here. Lavandero in change of Arenzana. Jersey number 20. Jersey number 4, NCF Tigers. A double dribble violation. Missed opportunity para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now, USI Falcons make their change. Jolark Acibor. USI Falcons didiretso ngayon. Pull-up jumper and that's good.
Yan yung inaantay na sagot dito for the USI Falcons. 22-19, 3 puntos na lamang po ang kalambangan. And another steal for the USI. Burse. Acibor taking his time, heavily guarded here. And that's a traveling violation for Jolark Acibor. Both team are in the penalty situation now.
Sayang yung opportunity doon, Kayla, nitong si Acibor.
Yes. Pwede sanang matay up na yung game.
Yes. Now, nagmamadali but unsuccessful even on that second chance attempt. Now, Burse to Acibor on the outside. USI Falcons. What will they do here? Rabalo, pull-up jumper. Still no good para dito sa USI Falcons.
Shot.
Now, Pujeda to Mase. Now, jersey number 88. Mase. And still coming from Burse, USI Falcons. Look at that layup. 22-21, just a point right there, Kyla.
24 seconds.
Now, Rialo stepping on the line. And they turn over on that last 20 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter.
You know what, Jasper, 20 seconds, mahaba-haba pa yan. It can add a point dito sa USA Falcons.
Now, jersey number 33, Baita to Burse. On the outside for 3. No good, but look, offensive rebound look. Now, Acibor fakes and put up for 3 but unsuccessful. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Don't go away because we'll be right back after the short commercial break for our second quarter.
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng
And now we are back on the second quarter of action inside the NCF covered court. Still, NCF Tigers against the USI Falcons at maagang turnover ang gagawin dito ni jersey number 23. Jersey number 0. Ayan, 22-21 po ang ating iniwang score on the first quarter. Titingnan natin na Kyla kung ano yung gagawin ng dalawang teams natin dito sa ating second quarter. But the USI Falcons kailangan ditong lumamang since para masungkit nila yung momentum. Ayan, yung change of favor na kanina pa natin na inaantay on the first quarter.
Yes.
Titingnan natin kung mangyayari yan, Kyla, on the second quarter. Now, jersey number 23 almost losing that ball. Franco Mase, pull-up jumper, unsuccessful. And defensive rebound naman, Ravalo to Asibor, unsuccessful with that triple.
Alam mo, Jasper, one of the good thing here for the USA Falcons, napakasipag nila sa depensa. Kaya talagang minsan kapag lamang na yung NCF Tigers, talagang doble yung effort nila for the defense. Now, Lavandero, wow, good shot coming from JV Lavandero.
Now, Doloso, USI Falcons, look at that. Sayang yung opportunity doon itong si Locke. Now, NCF Tigers, Mase Tupalahe, 88 pull-up jumper, still unsuccessful para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey Anchoquia on the side of the USI Falcons. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Well, Jasper and Kyla, the game started with a high level of intensity as both the USI Falcons and the NCF Tigers wasted no time showing why they deserve to be here in the finals. Talagang ramdam natin dito ang championship spirit ng dalawang koponan as they battle on the hard court. Kaya naman for the Falcons, this game is all about composure. They want the players to stay disciplined, keep their stance low, move their feet, and avoid giving the Tigers easy driving lanes. Coming into the second quarter, expect the Falcons to put more pressure on the defensive end, force tougher shots, and capitalize on every scoring opportunity. They look to swing the momentum in their favor. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. Now, on that last sequence, 3-pointers for Posada. Wow. That 3-point shot is brought to you by CBD Plaza Hotel. Your perfect place for your home.
Now, NCF Tigers, gagawa ng opensa dito. Jersey number 88, Palahe, to Franco Mase. Now, Pujeda for that triple, unsuccessful. Now, Palahe, look at that shot. Magandang bawi naman yung ginawa dito ni Palahe for the NCF Tigers. Now, USI Falcons, Doloso, successful for the 2-pointer. Look at that. Ito lang yung kailangan gawin nitong ating USI Falcons. Kita naman natin, deadlock po tayo sa 26 points. Now, jersey number 10, Nuwada, looking for his teammates. Palahe di diretso. Naku, sinuag na nitong si Palahe. Parang kalabaw lang dito, Kyla. This time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Kate, on the side of the NCF Tigers. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and Kyla. And wow, wow, wow! The intensity here on this sideline is unmatched in the opening of our first quarter. The NCF Tigers start with a bang with their speed and aggressive execution. Kagaya nga ng sabi nila, literal na play smart and play harder in this game. Pero marihil na paalala ni Coach Ayo in the early game kanina sa team na dapat they're always ready to catch the ball at dapat lakasan pa ang kanilang depensa. Both teams are not backing down to dominate this match. Let's see kung ano pa ang maipapakita ng ating NCF Tigers for this quarter. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Grabe yung unang sinabi ni Kate. Wow, wow, wow. Talaga namang dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Mapapasabi ka talaga ng wow sa nagaganap at nangyayari dito. So, grabe. What an amazing game for today. Now, Lavandero. Nuwada taking his time here. Too much pass. Sayang.
Turnover para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now, Posada, USI Falcons, Doloso. Now, Grabata. Del Rosario back to Grabata. A good ball rotation. Doloso unsuccessful to finish that shot. Matatawagan nga na dito ng foul itong si Ciruelos of the USI Falcons.
Now, 5 minutes and 47 seconds in our second quarter.
Now, Pujeda, diretso. Look at that shot. Napakagandang layup naman yung makikita natin doon. Pero, wait lang. Let's take a look at our instant replay. Ayan, natawagan nga dito ng technical foul itong si Pujeda after that layup. Grabe. Napakaganda ng layup niya dun, Kyla, pero technical foul yung itatawag sa kanya. Posada will be getting that technical free throw. Unsuccessful.
30-26. 4 na puntos po dito ang kalamangan. Dito ang Tigers. 5 minutes and 38 seconds in our second quarter.
Now, USI Falcons, what will they do here? Posada, heavily guarded by Guades. Now, Posada, San Gabriel, good ball rotation right there. Doloso with that spin, diretso. Wow! Look at that powerful layup by Doloso. Grabe yung mga pangyayari, Kyla, dito sa ating second quarter. Palitan lang ng puntos itong dalawang teams natin. Unsuccessful on that offense is NCF Tigers. Doloso once again for that back-to-back points. Grabe. Commendable performance here for Doloso of the USI Falcons, and a rejection right there by Del Rosario. Grabe. Let's take a look on our instant replay. Yung back-to-back points to ni Doloso, Kyla. Take a look at that one.
Wow.
Wow.
An exemplary performance coming from John Michael Doloso. Grabe.
And yung rejection or yung block pa dito nitong si Del Rosario. Deadlock tayo ngayon sa 30.
May palaro buwan. May palaro buwan na yan sa half court, sa half time. 3-point shooter. Mamaya po, half time, 3-point shooter.
Grabe yung pangyayari, Kyla, before the NCF Tigers, courtesy of Coach Ayo, pressed that timeout. Grabe. Deadlock at 30 points. Titingnan natin kung tuluyan na ngang masusungkit nitong ating USI Falcons yung change of favor na hinahangad nila dito sa ating second quarter. Maganda yung pinakita ng mga players nitong USI Falcons, Doloso and Del Rosario.
They are really the heroes of this second quarter.
Yes, Kyla, pero titingnan rin natin kung paano binago yan itong ating NCF Tigers, yung kanilang depensa and of course, opensa, Nuwada Heavily guarded Nuwada. Still unsuccessful here. Lock. Di diretso. Walang alinlangan. Lock. Getting that 2 points. Wow. Change of favor tayo dito, Kyla. 32-30 is our score. EJ Palilio unsuccessful with that triple. Offensive rebound. Look at that. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that shot by Locke. Grabe. At ito naman yung tira naman dito nitong si Palilio. 3-point play opportunity yung nakuha niya dito. Unsuccessful man siya, Kyla, doon sa kanyang 3-point attempt. Nakakuha naman siya dito ng 3-point dahil doon sa foul.
Now Asibor. Bababa ng bola. Heavily guarded by Nuwada. Grabe ang depensa nitong Tigers. Lock. Tutuloso now. Tingnan natin ang gagawin niya. Passes to Asibor. But still here for Tigers. And whistle was called here by our referee. Now, timeout was called by Coach Tope. Let's see kung ano ang gagawin nilang adjustments after their huddle, after their timeout.
Yes, titingnan natin, Kyla, kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa kanilang timeout. Lalong-lalo na isang puntos lang naman yung lamang ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And of course, bago yan, mag-shoutout muna tayo dito, Kyla, sa ating mga live viewers. We have Papa Omar watching live dito sa Naga College Foundation covered court. And of course, our live viewers, we have Joshua Mendina, Andre Uson, Lovely Bukiron, Laiwi Ravalo, Joshua Ravalo, Winder Olivar, Cynthia Filsi, Zor Kanya, and Shai Morales Alcanzo. Ayan, grabe, napakaraming nanonood, Kyla, sa ating live via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. And of course, we have GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Basketball League. Ayan, happy viewing po sa lahat ng nanonood, mapaloob man or labas ng NCF covered court. And of course, sa ating Facebook lives. Ayan, back to the ball game tayo dito. Ball possession ng ating USI Falcons. Doloso to San Gabriel with a steal coming from Arenzana and Guades. Napakaraming bantay. Grabe yung mga pangyayari, Kyla. 2 points for Guades.
He isn't bothered. Talagang ganda ng kanyang pinakita during that last sequence.
Now, San Gabriel, yes, ay Falcons. Asibor, didiretso ngayon. Asibor, unsuccessful dahil napakaraming bantay right there. Now, Nuwada, no good on the triple. Turnover para dito sa ating yes, ay Falcons. Jolark Asibor.
35-32, 3 minutes and 1 second. Wow!
Falcons really have their wings, Kyla.
Napasabay tayo dun ng wow, Jasper.
Look at that. Napakaganda ng mga tagpo dito sa championship battle na to, Kyla. Now, Arenzana. Grabe. Look at that. Palitan ng puntos dito. Jolark Asibor, didiretso. Pull-up jumper Del Rosario, unsuccessful. Now, Guades, NCF Tigers. Anong gagawin nila dito? Jersey number 22, William Arenzana once again. Back-to-back points para dito kay William Arenzana. Nako, matunog na naman yung pangalan nitong si William Arenzana for our second quarter.
And no wonder kung bakit siya ay candidate for the season's MVP.
Yes. Now, let's see. Palilio to jersey number 22, but Pass to the wrong person. San Gabriel, USI Falcons. Now Locke takes Doloso to finish that shot but unsuccessful on that triple. Now Palilio with that defensive rebound. NCF Tigers, what will they do here? No good on the triple by Palilio. Grabe. Substitutions and a timeout pressed by Coach Tope Espinosa of the USI Falcons. 39-34 is our score. 5 puntos yung kailangan habulin dito ng ating USI Falcons. Look at that instant replay. Matunog yung pangalan nitong si William Arenzana on that last sequence. Look at that, back-to-back points hatid sa atin ni William Arenzana of the NCF Tigers. While USI Falcons naman, Kyla, nagtatrabaho dito itong si Asibor.
Yes, is one of our candidate then for the season's MVP of our league. Grabe, both team are really prepared for this battle. Talagang palitan ng puntos. Ano kaya ang gagawing adjustments itong Falcons after that timeout? Knowing na lamang na ng 5 puntos itong NCF Tigers.
Yes, and of course, Kyla, kung paano rin nag-take advantage itong ating NCF Tigers dun sa timeout na yon ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see. Joler Asibor, heavily guarded by Guades here. Now Locke, back to Asibor. Ravalo ngayon, nagdadala ng bola with that spin move. Now Del Rosario for that triple, unsuccessful. Now Palilio, NCF Tigers, Palahe. Grabe, napakaraming bantay. Pero 2 points yung masusungkit siya ni Palahe. USI Falcons struggling here. 8 seconds violation. Look at that. Ravalo matatawagan dito ng 8 seconds violation in our second quarter. Konti na lang yung segundo na natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Wow! Look at that. Palahe. Grabe naman yun. A clean basket right there from Palahe. Let's take a look at that. Nothing but the net. Grabe. Ang linis trumabaho nitong si Palahe of the NCF Tigers. 43-34 is our score. Locke unsuccessful on his first attempt. $33 seconds remaining na lang tayo, Kyla.
Yes.
Dito sa ating second quarter. That's good for that second free throw of Locke, USI Falcons. Now NCF Tigers, Palilio, Arenzana. Now Palilio magtatawid ngayon ng bola. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Now Guades. Didiretso ngayon Guades, but sayang, unsuccessful on his layup. Turnover right there. USI Falcons basketball. 14 seconds remaining. Now, Asibor with just 10 seconds. Now, 5 seconds, Asibor. And a foul. 2 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Ayan, titingnan natin dahil ayan, so makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws itong si
Jolar Casibor.
yes, of the SI Falcons.
Another chance for him to add a point to their team. Wow, good on that first shot. Another shot for him para maging 36 ang kanilang score before the end of our first half.
Now, Asibor successful on his 2 free throws, 43-37. At tatawag nga dyan kailan ng timeout itong ating NCF Tigers courtesy of Coach Brian Ayo. And so titingnan natin kung paano nila i-utilize yung ating 2 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. That's just a 6-point lead yung hawak dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Ayan, titingnan natin kung ano rin yung magiging depensa dito ng ating USI Falcons, lalong-lalo na opensa ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, 2 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. What will happen here, Kyla?
Yan ang kaabang-abang.
Dahil tumawag pa ng timeout yung ating NCF Tigers. So, we'll see. Now, Palilio. Long pass, but Locke get that ball. Sayang yung connection dito ni Locke and Quijano. And that's the end of our first half. 43-37. Don't go away because we'll be right back only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Energizing performance. Let's give it up for our rising stars. Our first ever P-pop girl group in Bicol, Rella Gen 2. Once again, Aurora Gen 2. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to honor the outstanding individuals who made this OPL Season 2 absolutely unforgettable. Let's first acknowledge the incredible institutions that made this tournament possible. A massive shout out to our participating schools. And to give the award, let us call on J.R. Castillo, John Salvador, and Sir Michael Cora to present the awards. Our participating schools for this Oragon Basketball League Season 2 WBN Sofia Cup. Let's give it up for the Central People's State University of Agriculture Buffaloes. Next up, we have the Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights. Please come to the center to claim your award. Once again, the Ateneo Dinaga University Golden Knights. Next up, the University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. Please come to the center for the award. Up next, the Naga College Foundation Incorporated Tigers. Up next, the Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons. Please come to the center to claim the award. Once again, the Universidad de Santa Isabel Dinaga Falcons. Thank you very much for bringing the thunder in this year's OBL season. Now, moving right into our special awards. These players dominated the stat sheets and brought something truly special to the game. First off, assist leader. When his team needed the perfect pass, he delivered. Oragons. This season's OBL assist leader is Rodolfo Jude Trio. Please come to the center to claim your award. Again, let's give it up for Rodolfo Jude Trio. Now, let us meet the ultimate defensive threat, a true pickpocket on the court, our still leader. This season's still leader is Justin M. San Gabriel. Please give him a round of applause, please. And now, sending shots straight back where they came from. Our best blocker. This season's best blocker is Angelo Domingo. Again, our best blocker this season, Angelo Domingo. Up next, for showing incredible heart, respect, and class throughout the entire tournament, OBL presents the Sportsmanship Award. The Sportsmanship Award goes to John Bernard Basabre. And our sportsmanship award goes to John Bernard Basago. And now, it's time to show some love and respect as we present the special certificate of appreciation to no other than Mr. Ruel Weber of WB and Sofia, this year's OPL season sponsor. Thank you for your dedication, Sir Ruel Weber. Up next, the mind, the reason why the players on this season are thriving. And now, our best coach for this season is no other than Coach Brian Ayo. Please come to the center to receive your award. Again, our best coach of this season is Coach Brian Ayo. Let us please give him a round of applause. And now, it's time to reveal the elite, the best of the best, the cream of the crop. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your mythical five, slicing through defense and creating plays as your best small forward, Kevin Matias Paugan. Again, your best small forward for the mythical five, Kevin Matias Taugan. Lighting up from beyond the arc as your best shooting guard, John Paul El Burse. Locking down the paint as your best center, William Arenzana. Holding it down with power and finesse as your best power forward, Elrenz V. Del Rosario. And running the floor, directing the traffic as your best point guard, our double winner tonight, John Bernard Basagre. WB and Sofia. Most valuable player is from the USI Falcons, Rick Chulag Asibor. Once again, our most valuable player this season is Rick Chulag Asibor. And we are not done yet. To give us an entertainment, it's time for the 3-point shootout, and this is brought to you by the juiciest burgers in Again, let's give it up for Team Jump Point Hustle for winning the championship at the NBL Kids. Now for the 3-point shootout, brought to you by Smash Burger.
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay kami Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip.
And now we are back dito sa loob ng ating NCF covered court for the second half of action 43-37 po ang ating iniwang score doon sa ating nagdaan na first quarter. Ayan, sino kaya still kaabang-abang Kyla yung mangyayari dito sa ating second half? Sino kaya ang makakasungkit ng championship? Will it be the NCF champions, I mean the defending champion NCF Tigers, or the USI Falcons? Ayan, napakaganda po ng naghihintay sa atin dito sa ating second half. And as we can see, dito sa ating NCF covered court, puno na yung ating mga upuan. And of course, sa gilid, marami pa tayong space, Kyla, kaya yung mga gusto pang humabol for our second half, ayan, punta lamang po kayo dito. And of course, yung mga nakatutok sa atin sa live, we have our Facebook Live via the Facebook page of Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga, and of course, Oragon Basketball League. And Kyla, yung mga natunghayin natin on the first half, napakaganda ng mga dagpo. Matunog yung pangalan nitong si William Arenzana on the side of NCF Tigers. Nandyan rin itong si Palahe, and of course, Baliloy, ayan, Franco Mase. Talagang matunog yung mga pangalan nila on the first half. While on the other hand naman, USI Falcons, nandyan si Jolark Asibor. Ayan, congratulations pala kay Jolark Asibor for being awarded as the season's MVP. Ayan, congratulations. And of course, ayan yung ating USI Falcons. Kitang-kita naman natin, Kyla, yung pagiging consistent nila sa kanilang mga nagdaan na laro. And of course, yung chemistry nila, kilala natin yan, ang ating USI Falcons. But this time, let's see yung highlights natin for the first half. Let's take a look at our highlights. Look at that, Del Rosario. And this time, Jimo Mumuni. Naging matunog rin yung pangalan nitong si Jimo on the first half. So titingnan natin kung ano pa yung prepare niyang performance for the second half. Ayan, rejection by Berse of the USI Falcons. And Quijano. Ayan, matutunog na pangalan, William Arenzana on that first half of action. So this time, you can take a look muna on our game highlights. And that is the game highlights dun po sa ating nagdaan na first half. So this time, magpapatuloy na po tayo on our second half. It's the third quarter, ladies and gentlemen, and it's the ball possession of the USI Falcons. Abangan natin kung ano pa yung mga mangyayari on the second half of action.
This is a very exciting second half dito sa ating liga. Now we have here Jolar Casipor, the season's MVP. It's inbound. Looking for his teammate. Now Doloso. Taking his time. To San Gabriel. Season's MVP for 3. No good on that. Rebounded by Nuwada. Palahe.
Now Palilio, NCF Tigers. Guades on the outside looking for his teammates. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Palahe. No good for triple. But a whistle foul. Matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 24 Quijano of the USI Falcons. 6 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating USI Falcons. Now, Palilio, Tomase, looking for his teammates. 7 seconds to shoot here. Nuwada missing. And now, San Gabriel. Tatawagan dito ng foul itong si Jimo. No fouls, just a turnover. Now, Burse to Doloso. USI Falcons. San Gabriel, a good ball rotation on the outside. Now Doloso. Quijano on the outside. Quick three, no good.
Secured by Palahe. Now Palilio. Now NCF Tigers. Now there is an update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's call our courtside reporter Kate. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and Kyla. And for our half quarter, both teams are now boiling the match. Pero patuloy pa rin sa pag-atake ng ating NCF Tigers laban sa USI Falcons. They're now emphasizing their defense and ball movement dahil sa bawat pasa at minutong lumilipas, hindi rin nagpapatinag ang kanilang kalaban. It is now a dogfight. The NCF Tigers are now stepping in with their adjustment of their game plan to make sure that for this quarter, lalamang muli sila. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kate, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Ayan, titingnan natin kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy, Kyla, yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating second half. And while Kate is reporting, nakita natin nakakuha dyan ng 3 points. What a 3 points naman coming from Burse. Napakagandang sagot for the USI Falcons. Look at that, Kyla.
And a much needed point for the Falcons. Burse is the hero for this quarter. Wow. 46-40, 6 na puntos na lang. And take it a look on that instant replay.
Palilio for NCF and Burse naman for USI Falcons. Napakagandang sagutan ng 3. But as we can see, Palahe standing on the free throw line. Good for his first free throw. And quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Frank Mase, kay Lable Boquiron, kay JV Ray Jobs, and kay Joshua Arcangel. This time, let's hear an update naman from our courtside reporter Casey Anchoquia on the side of the USI Falcons. Casey, take it away.
What the first half it has been, Jasper and Kyla. Ramdam na ramdam natin ang pressure sa bawat possession, and you can only expect that intensity to go even higher as we head into the second half because neither team is willing to let this championship slip away. From the huddle, coaches emphasize the importance of moving the ball, trusting one another on offense. They reminded the players to keep the ball moving, find the open shot instead of forcing attempts, and make good use of their screens to create better scoring opportunities. Sa depensa naman, they want everyone communicating, helping on rotations, and staying connected as one unit. If the Falcons can execute these adjustments, expect them to come out more composed and more aggressive as they look to turn the momentum in their favor here in the second half. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. And now, Jasper, 49-40. 9 na puntos na po dito ang kalamangan nitong ating NCF Tigers. But on that last shot, good on that free throw coming from Quijano of the USA Falcons.
Now, Quijano for his second free throw. Basket para dito sa ating USA Falcons. 49-42, Palilio, NCF Tigers gagawa ng opensa dito. Palahe. And a traveling violation, a crucial error on our third quarter. Matatawagan nga dyan ng traveling violation itong si Palahe of the NCF Tigers. Ball possession ngayon ng ating USA Falcons with San Gabriel for that sideline inbound. Now, San Gabriel. Doloso. Now, Jolart Asibor. Doloso again. Burse. No good on that triple. Sweet spot sana yun, Kyla, nitong si Burse. But NCF Tigers, diniretso na ni Guades. Unsuccessful. And a turnover right there. Grabe, commendable rin yung ating mga officials dito, Kyla.
Yes,
Talagang
exactly.
napakatatalas ng kanilang mga mata. Stepping on the line yung itatawag dyan ni Ref Jomar.
Missed opportunity for the Tigers. Now, this is another opportunity for the USA Falcons. Knowing na naghahabol sila dito ng score, this is their chance para makadagdag ng punto sa kanilang koponan ng San Gabriel. Doloso. A great defense from Tigers.
Backcourt violation here for San Gabriel. Now, NCF Tigers. Sideline inbound by Guades.
Of course, a quick shout out to Remoquilio family, especially for Engineer Odelon Remoquilio. Shout out po, Engineer. Thank you so much for supporting OBL Season 2 Finals.
Now back to the ball game. USA Falcons. Doloso. Asibor. On the outside. Didiretso ngayon. Matatawagan nga dyan ng foul itong si Palahe. Jersey number 88. The same ball possession para dito sa ating USA Falcons. And of course, maraming salamat po sa ating napakaraming sponsors. This live coverage is powered by PLDT, presented by WB and Sophia, Gold Trans BDS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lotus Blue Hotel, NCF Incorporated, Digital Graphics, Claypot Cafe, Flipsol Naga, Ruffians Tavern, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, and AET Ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta for Oragon Basketball League. And now back to the ball game. San Gabriel. What a shot right there. USI Falcons doing good here. Pero James Nuwada makakakuha dyan, Kayla, ng 3-point play opportunity. Look at that good shot. No hesitation shot by San Gabriel of the USI Falcons. Sasagutin naman agad yan ng 3-point play opportunity nitong si Nuwada. And that is successful, Kayla. 52-44 is our score in our third quarter. Look, USI Falcons on the outside. And that's good. A good triple. Much needed point. And that 3-point shot is brought to us by CBD Plaza Hotel. Now, Jimo. NCF Tigers. Guades. Look at that connection. Sayang yun. Grabe.
Wow.
Sayang yung pa-connect doon nitong si Arenzana and si Guades.
Now, in our third quarter, 5 minutes and 59 seconds, 52-47. Masabi natin, dikit pa rin ang laban. Palitan ng puntos for the both team.
Now, USI Falcons, look, magtatawid ngayon ng bola. San Gabriel on the outside, swings it to Doloso. Now, Doloso, maaagawan nga dito ng bola nitong si Nuwada. Almost a back-to-back steal. But San Gabriel unsuccessful to save that ball. Palilio for that sideline inbound. NCF Tigers gagawa ngayon ng opensa. Now, Guades. Heavily guarded here by Locke. Pero Guades still unsuccessful para dun sa opensa na yon. But a follow-up shot coming from Palilio. A good control on that ball. NCF Tigers still doing well. Now, USI Falcons, ano naman yung gagawing sagot dito? Asibor to Doloso. Didiretso. Slips. But a foul coming from Arenzana. 2 free throws para dito kay Doloso. Now Doloso will be getting his 2 free throws.
Now, pasalamatan natin ating mga sponsors. Our league is also brought to you by the Sundays Hotel, Papatanta na Portal, Lemon Residences, Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Camsur Eye Center, Naga College Foundation, College of Arts and Sciences, NCF College of Criminal Justice Education, Safe Gas Station, Motamo TV, Del Gold Philippines, City Hoops Trophies and Medals, Lasal's Beach Resort, Maswerte Foods, and Chick and Run. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors na sumuporta for Oragon Basketball League Season 2, WB and Sophia Cup Gold Trans BTS. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sa lahat po ng nanood for our championship match. Ayan. And as we can see, Guades standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Successful on his first and on his second. We are now approaching the midway of our third quarter. And a whistle foul. Matatawagan dyan ng foul itong si Nuwada. On the side of the NCF Tigers. 2 free throws naman para dito kay Posada. Both teams are now on the penalty situation. Mag-ingat or they have to take care. You have to be careful dahil mahaba pa yung oras na natitira for our third quarter.
...55-51 Jasper. 4 na puntos na lamang dito ang kalamangan ng Tigers. The USA Falcons really determined to win this game. Guades to Arenzana, heavily guarded by Doloso. Rialo tries for 3. No good. Wow. Perfect shot coming from Nuwada.
A good follow-up shot, Kyla. Now, USI Falcons, Jolar Casibor swings it to San Gabriel. Now, look for 3. Unsuccessful. NCF Tigers. A good opportunity here for them. Nuwada looking for his teammates, but a whistled foul. Matatawagan nga dyan ng foul itong ating season's MVP, Jolar Casibor. Nuwada for his 2 free throws. Now, 59-51. 8-point lead yung hawak kailan itong ating NCF Tigers. San Gabriel back to Posada on the outside. Whistle right there. Matatawagan nga siya ng foul itong si Nuwada. Hand check foul. And 2 free throws para dito kay Asibor. Good on his first free throw. Now, Asibor, grabe, napakainit na kailan ng mga tagpo natin on the second half. Now, NCF Tigers, Nuwada, turnover.
Missed opportunity for Nuwada.
Both teams making their change here.
Now Asibor. Long 3.
Grabe. Nakikita natin Kyla yung tiyaga at yung pagpupursige nitong ating USI Falcons na masungkit pa rin yung ating change of favor na inaasam dito sa ating second half. Look at that. Lock for 2 free throws and good on his first.
Now, batiin muna natin ang ating team online. We have here Frixie Mase, J.R. Arabaca, Odelone Moquilio, John Ray Balane, Alfred Almazan, Mark Lester Huenya, and Ordy Vargas. Maraming salamat po for supporting our finals game for today. 3 minutes and 40 seconds on our third quarter.
Now, USA Falcons, a good steal right there. Asibor looking for his teammates. Wow! Napakagandang bawi naman coming from Lok. Look at that! NCF Tigers, anong sagot kaya ang gagawin nila dito? A good pass coming from Pujeda, but unsuccessful on the triple. Del Rosario to Ravalo. A good chance here, Kyla. Posada to tie everything. Unsuccessful on that triple. Now, Asibor. Now, what will they do here? Taking their time. Asibor swings into Posada. But a foul. Grabe. Kung pumasok sana yung 3-point attempt doon ni Posada, tayo, Kyla, sa 59. But as you can see, Asibor on the free throw line para sa kanyang dalawang free throws. A chance to cut off the lead of the Tigers to just a point. From kanina, 8 points. Ngayon, grabe. Napakaganda ng mga natutunghayan natin dito, Kyla.
Exactly. A really good finals for the both team. Grabe. This is a much needed point from Asibor. That's good for him. 59-57. Just a 2 points para dito sa ating Tigers. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Both teams are in the penalty situation.
Now, ayan, so titingnan natin dahil ayan, coach's challenge yung itatawag dito ni Coach Tope Espinosa of the USA Falcons kung kanino nga ba talaga mapupunta yung ball possession dyan. But this time, ayan, of course, maraming salamat sa ating viewers inside the NCF College or the NCF Covered Court, and of course sa ating mga online viewers via the Facebook page of Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Basketball League. Once again, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Win Radio, we have WBN Sofia, Gold Trans BDS, DLP Printing Services, CBD Plaza Hotel, Lotus Blue Hotel, NCF Incorporated, Claypot Cafe, Flip Soul Naga, Ruffian's Tavern, Bisacol Outdoor Shop, AAT Ads, and also OBL is brought to you by Summit Private Resort and Sports Hub, Papa Tantan Apartel, Lemon Residences, and Sundays Hotel. Marami unsuccessful po yung challenge dyan ni Coach Tupe. Still, ball possession dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Pujeda, jersey number 23 to Arenzana. Sayang yung open shot doon nitong si Arenzana. But this time, yes, ay Falcons.
Chance
Ravalo.
for them. What a block.
Grabe. Back-to-back steal, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Ravalo, lock to Posada. Kailangan nilang bantayan tong si Posada. Now, look, pull-up jumper, unsuccessful.
Miss chance for Locke. Now, chance for the Tigers to continue their momentum here. Mase to Balane. 8 seconds to shoot. Arenzana and Sadbas Gold here.
Matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Itong si Jolar Casibor. Unsuccessful on that first attempt or first free throw by William Arenzana. 59-57 still is our score. 2 puntos lamang po yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating USI Falcons. Let's see if Ken Arenzana extend it to 3 points and successful.
Now, this is a perfect opportunity for the USI Falcons.
Missed opportunity for Mase. Na-steal niya sana dun yung bola but out of bounds. Same ball possession para dito sa ating USI Falcons. Lock. Di diretso. Posada. To Ravalo. Swings to Burse. Now, Lock. Di diretso ngayon. But a steal. Back-to-back steal. Burse for 3! Look at that, Kyla!
Ayun! Hinahanap. Burse.
Grabe. Deadlock at 60 points. Let's see another steal coming from the USI Falcons. Del Rosario!
Oh, plus a foul!
What a shot right there by Del Rosario. No hesitation shot and 3-point play opportunity pa nga ni. Grabe. Let's take a look at our instant replay. Burse with that triple. Grabe naman yun, Kyla. And Del Rosario with that 3-point play opportunity.
And take a look
Wow.
at our score. Change favor ngayon. 60-63, 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng Falcons. Ang tanong ngayon, magtuloy-tuloy na kaya ang kanilang momentum?
Now, NCF Tigers, Guades. Let's see kung anong sagot nila dito. Guades, unsuccessful, but a foul. Grabe yung mga tagpo natin dito, Kyla. Si NCF covered court, grabe. Talagang hiyawan na kung hiyawan yung mga supporters ng dalawang teams natin. Oh my goodness. 41 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. At makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws itong si Lavandero. Unsuccessful is Lavandero on his first free throw. Now let's see. Grabe yung change of favor natin dito sa ating third quarter. Still up po dito yung ating USI Falcons ng 2 puntos. Let's see kung paano pa nila yan dadagdagan. Ravalo. Del Rosario, pull-up jumper, unsuccessful. Defensive rebound by Guades. Now, NCF Tigers, what will they do here? Guades, heavily guarded by Posada and Arenzana. Grabe. Sayang yung opportunity doon ni Arenzana. Open shot sana doon. Itong si Arenzana. Nuwada naman matatawagan dito ng foul. 2 free throws for Posada. A chance for the USA Falcons to raise their lead to 4 points. Grabe, Kyla, yung mga nangyayari. Anong masasabi mo, Kyla, sa mga pangyayari natin dito?
Talagang gulat na gulat tayo dito. Kaya naman napapasigaw po kami. Lalo na dong mga last sequence ng laban. Wow. Just a wow. What a game for the both team. We can really tell our live audience that the both team are really determined to win the championship title of OBL Season 2. Grabe.
Now, NCF Tigers, baseline inbound by Palilio. Nagmamadali, Guades. Sabayan lang yung dalawang teams natin dito. Unsuccessful doon sa... And that's the end of our third quarter. Burse unsuccessful to save that ball on that last sequence. Pero lamang po ang ating USI Falcons ng 4 na puntos. Don't go away because we'll be right back for the fourth and final quarter of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Back to the ball game. We are now in our last and final quarter. The most exciting part of our finals game, Jasper. Wow. A wow game for tonight. 61-65. Our last score during the third quarter. Now, in our fourth quarter, let's see. Dito na natin malalaman kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng championship trophy of our OPL Season 2 now, USA Falcons. Ball possession. Burse to Posada. Now Posada taking his time, heavily guarded by Guades. Del Rosario, no good.
NCF Tigers, what will they do here? Palilio to Lavandero. Look at that. A good connection right there. 65-63 mga kaibigan. Ravalo, USI Falcons. Lamang po sila dito ng 2 puntos. Doloso. What will they do here? Ravalo. To Doloso. Unsuccessful. Became open sana din itong si Doloso, but still no good dun sa kanyang 2-pointer. Now, Palilio on the outside. Heavily guarded here by Del Rosario. Still unsuccessful dito itong ating NCF Tigers. Ravalo, nagmamadali Ravalo. but a steal coming from Lavandero. Sasabayan ni Doloso. Wow! Look at that! Ayun yung kailangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Let's take a look at our instant replay. Lavandero.
Look at his reaction.
Back-to-back points for Lavandero.
Wow.
Sasabayan nga dyan ni Doloso, and a 3-point play opportunity here for Lavandero of the NCF Tigers. Grabe. This time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey Anshokia from the side of the USI Falcons. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Kahindik-hindik ang mga kaganapan from the previous quarter. Jasper and Kyla and this is where everything is on the line. This is the moment where the USI Falcons need to show what they're truly made. Every possession, every stop, and every basket will matter as they fight to keep their championship hopes alive. From the huddle, pinaalalahanan sila ni Coach na bumalik sa kanilang sistema. He also emphasized the importance of anticipating the next play, whether it's reading the passing lanes on defense, rotating early on help defense, or recognizing where the open man will be before the ball even gets there. If the Falcons can stick to their identity and play within their system, expect them to make one final push as we enter this crucial last 10 minutes of championship basketball. That's it for the update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update on the side of the USA Falcons. Now, USA basketball look. Fake the 3 points, no good.
Ball possession ngayon dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Jersey number 62, Guades to Palilio. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito, Kyla, para magpatuloy na yung kanilang momentum? Now, Guades on the outside with that spin. Pull-up jumper. Unsuccessful. And same ball possession para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. And timeout pressed nitong ating Coach Brian Ayo of the NCF Tigers. So titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. Lalong-lalo na Kyla, ball possession nila ngayon. And of course, ano kaya yung gagawin nila para magpatuloy na yung kanilang momentum. Let's take a look on our instant replay. Courtesy of Del Rosario, yung kanyang 3-point play opportunity. And this time, Lavandero makakakuha nga dyan ng back-to-back points. Grabe yung mga highlights natin for our third quarter. Yeah, and this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Kate, on the side of the NCF Tigers. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper and Kyla. And we just witnessed a while ago an incredible third quarter. This is now a battle of their stamina and composure. The NCF Tigers are keeping their they're trying to keep their momentum with their great game plan and with their focus on the court dahil lumamang nga kanina ang USI Falcon. However, the game is not over yet. Kailangan na ng malakas na finishing touch to get that champion name for this finale. In this final moments, who will dictate the pace and who will bring the crown? Yan ang aabangan natin in this quarter. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now 7 minutes and 14 seconds.
Sino kaya, Kyla, yung magiging champion natin for our Oragon Basketball League Season 2? Dikit na dikit yung laban for our fourth quarter, but still napakahaba pa ng oras. 67-66. Lamang po ng isang puntos yung ating USI Falcons. Nako, overtime match is not impossible, Kyla. Lalong-lalo na. Game changer itong mga teams natin na naglalaban-laban dito. And of course, kilala at alam natin kung paano sila maglaro. Now, Doloso, USI Falcons. No good on that attempt. But this time, Guades heavily guarded here by Ravalo. NCF Tigers, Palillo on the outside. Now, William Arenzana. Sayang yung opportunity niya doon because he is open. But Palillo, traveling violation nga yung itatawag dito ng ating referee. Missed opportunity. Crucial error, lalong-lalo na. We are on the fourth quarter. Now, USI Falcons basketball. What will they do here, Kyla?
Grabe. We can never tell kung sino nga ba makakakuha. 66-67, just a single point for the USA Falcons.
Now, USA Falcons, Doloso to Asibor. Titingnan natin dahil maganda yung chemistry nitong si Asibor and Doloso. Now, look, Doloso on the corner. Didiretso ngayon, Doloso to Del Rosario. Unsuccessful but offensive rebound here. Look at that! Ayun yung sinasabi ko, Kyla, na connection nitong si Doloso and Asibor. Nakita agad natin. I think naririnig nila tayo, Kyla. Now, NCF Tigers. Palillo heavily guarded by Locke. Arenzana on the outside, but a foul. Foul coming from Locke. Napakainit na, Kyla, nung mga tagpo natin for our fourth quarter. And the NCF Tigers making their change here.
Very exciting ang mga kaganapan dito. Kaya manatiling nakatutok po sa aming live stream. We are live on our Facebook page, the Oragon Sports TV. And of course, quick shout out to our live viewers on our Facebook page. We have here Angel Rose, Laiwi Angeline Ravalo, Labol Bukiron, Alejo Supertran, Alfred Almazan, Joshua Ravalo, Len Trinidad, and Coach Party Tupas. Maraming salamat po for supporting Oragon Basketball League Finals.
A very crucial error committed here by Nowada. Grabe yung mga pangyayari natin dito, Kyla. Lamang ng 3 puntos itong ating USI Falcons. And Nowada committed that very crucial error. Nakuha doon ni Del Rosario yung bola. USI Basketball. Asibor with that baseline inbound. Ano kaya yung mangyayari, Kyla? Let's take a look at this. Now Doloso. Tulok. Didiretso. Asibor. Sayang yung connection doon itong si Asibor and Del Rosario because Palahi is there. Still, USI Basketball. And timeout. Maitatawag naman siya ng ating Coach Tupe Espinosa of USI Falcons. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila, Kyla, doon sa kanilang timeout. Tingnan natin yung ating mga replay. Ayan, kitang-kita natin yung
wow,
highlights nitong si Lavandero for the NCF Tigers. Mga ganun, Kyla, yung kailangan nila.
Yes. And of course, this timeout is really important for the USA Falcons because nasa kanila ngayon ang ball possession.
Yes, titingnan natin kung paano nila i-utilize yung ball possession ngayon ng ating USI Falcons. But still, mahaba pa yung oras na natitira for our fourth and final quarter. So napakarami pang pwedeng mangyari, Kyla. Mas maganda Kyla, kung makakatingin tayo or makaka-witness tayo dito ng overtime match.
Yes.
Kasi
possible.
Walang imposible, Kyla, lalong-lalo na it's the Oragon Basketball League. Yung mga teams ay talagang hindi basta-basta.
Kahit umuwi ako ng late, okay lang.
Yes, and of course, Kyla, it's the finals.
Yes.
Talagang walang imposibleng mangyari dito. Now, USI Basketball, San Gabriel with that baseline inbound. Titingnan natin. San Gabriel. But a steal coming from Palilio. Palahe, di diretso makakakuha dyan ng 2 points. Grabe. Mukhang na-counter doon nitong NCF Tigers yung plano ng ating USI Falcons dun sa kanilang timeout. Parang nabasa nila, Kyla. Now this time, USI Falcons missing here. NCF Tigers having their chances and opportunities. EJ Palilio, William Arenzana, and now Guades for triple, and that's good! Look at that, Kyla! Oh my gulay!
The most important point coming from Guades, and the 3-point shot is brought to you by CBD Plaza Hotel.
Grabe! Dolosa this time, makakasungkit naman ng 2 points. Dadak lang tayo, Kyla, sa 71 points. Grabe, napakagandang basketball match po yung natutunghayan natin ngayon. William Arenzana to Guades, diretso Guades, almost getting that basket, but San Gabriel. And now, USI Falcons, Joe Lark Asibor. What a pass right there, but a rejection coming from Palahe. Grabe. Grabe yun, Kyla. Napakagandang pasa from Asibor, pero napakagandang block naman coming from Palahe. Let's take a look at that one more time. Grabe. 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and final quarter, but still deadlock tayo sa 71 points.
And of course, still a long run for the both team. 4 minutes, 26 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa po yan. Of course, di pa natin alam because palitan ng puntos ang dalawang koponan. Di pa natin masabi kung sino nga ba ang mananalo for this matchup. Very, very important to win for the both team.
Ayan, Del Rosario magkakakuha dito ng 2 free throws.
Much needed point. Good on that first shot.
One more time for Del Rosario. And that's good for him. Yes, ay Falcon still. Lamang ulit po ng 2 puntos dito. Palilio to Guades, NCF Tigers. Anong gagawin nila dito? Now, Guades. Now, on the corner is Palilio. That is Palilio unsuccessful on that triple attempt. Palahe pala yung nandun sa gilid. Now, USI Falcons, Asibor. Diretso ngayon, Asibor tulok. That's a foul.
Another foul.
Matatawagan nga ng foul dyan itong si Palahe. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. A chance for the USI Falcons na lumamang ng 4 na puntos dito, Kyla. Successful on his first free throw is Lok of the USI Falcons. One more time for Lok. And good for his 2 free throws. 75-71 up po ng 4 na puntos itong ating USI Falcons. NCF Tigers, ano yung gagawing sagot dito? Palilio nagmamadali. This time looking for his teammates. William Arenzana. Palay slips. And pass to the wrong person, Ravalo to Asibor. USI Falcons, anong gagawin para madagdagan ang kanilang puntos? Doloso, no good on that triple, but Asibor on the outside, fakes, goes to the inside. Grabe, sayang yung opportunity nitong USI Falcons. Stops and pops for 3 is Guanes of the NCF Tigers. What a shot right there, Kyla. And that 3-point is brought to us by CBD Plaza Hotel.
Grabe na yung kaba dito. Wow! Palitan na 3 puntos dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Wow! Grabe. Wow! A great shot.
Nothing but the net for Locke. USI Falcons, NCF Tigers. Anong gagawin dito? Guades. Torialo. Now, a traveling violation right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Grabe. Let's take a look at our instant replay. Stops and pop for 3 by Guades. And this time, look for that clean 3, nothing but the net. Wow! 4 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Lalong-lalo na ball possession ng ating USI Falcons. Speaking of the USI Falcons, let's hear a quick update from our courtside reporter, Casey Anchoquia. Casey, take it away.
Jasper and Kyla, it's the last 2 minutes of the game and everyone is at the edge of their seats. Dahil talaga namang napakainit ng laban. For the Falcons, they're now giving everything they've got as there will be no more room for mistakes now dahil it is the championship on the line. Ang tanong, will they be able to get the victory tonight? Yan ang ating aabangan as the final moments of this game unfold. Only here on Oragon Sports TV.
Ayan, narinig natin yung quick update from our USI Falcons courtside reporter Casey Anchoquia. But as we can see, patuloy na yung pag-dominate ng ating USI Falcons. Look at that! Grabe! Let's take a look at our instant replay. Del Rosario with that alley-oop play. Wow! 80-74 is our score. 6 points po yung lamang nung ating USI Falcons with just a minute and 54 seconds remaining. Wow! As in, wow! Wala akong masabi, Kyla. Just wow!
Grabe, Jasper. 6 points ang kalamangan. They should not be complacent. No room for complacency here. Grabe.
This time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Kate, from the side of NCF Tigers. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Kyla and Jasper. And update for the last minutes and seconds of the game. It is now thrilling and electric as you know they were chasing the ball para pumuntos. Nagsasalita na lamang ng puntos for the NCF Tigers and the USI Falcon. But with that, our team are showing no sign of backing down, responding with crisp movement and dominating the paint, determinado makuha ang kampionado, keeping the resilience at ang pagiging pusong tigre. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Kyla.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that quick update on the side of the NCF Tigers, the defending champions. No room for complacency here, Kyla, dahil kilala natin itong ating NCF Tigers as the game changers. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining on our fourth quarter. Walang imposible. Bilog ang bola. Let's see, NCF Tigers, anong sagot ang gagawin nila? Now, Juarez, Rialo to Jimo. Jimo is in. Jimo. 3-point play opportunity for Jimo Mumuni. Grabe. Napakagandang start para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Jimo. for his 3-point play opportunity. Unsuccessful, pero same ball possession para dito sa NCF Tigers. Grabe. Let's go Tigers yung sagot, Kyla. I mean yung sigaw ng mga supporters natin on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's see kung paano babaguhin nitong NCF Tigers yung laro natin. For the last minute and 43 seconds remaining, Rialo. Heavily guarded here, Rialo. Heavily guarded by Asibor, unsuccessful. Pero William Arinzana. Wow, 2 points para dito kay William Arinzana of the NCF Tigers. Wow. Ito yung iniintay natin, Kyla. Dun lang sa konting oras na yun, 5 puntos agad yung nagawa nitong ating NCF Tigers. Look at that last shot by William Arenzana, cutting off the lead of USA Falcons to just 2 points.
And sabi nga natin, no room for complacency kung gusto ng USA Falcons sa manalo. Dahil alam natin na gagawin lahat ng Tigers to defend their title here.
Ravalo! Wow. Look at that fadeaway shot. Wow. Just wow. Palitan ng puntos para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. Guades on the outside, looking for his teammate, Rialo. Now, 10 seconds to shoot here for Jimo. Pero foul yung may tatawag dito kay Del Rosario of the USA Falcons. 14 seconds on the shot clock. NCF basketball. What will happen here? 1 minute and 11 seconds remaining, Kyla, on our 4th and final quarter. Now, NCF Tigers making a change here. Palilio ang mag-i-inbound ngayon ng bola in change of Balane. Now, Palilio. Baseline inbound to Guades. NCF Tigers. Now, Guades. Look at that. Rialo unsuccessful on that triple attempt. Asibor for the USA Falcons. 53 seconds remaining. Now, Jolard Asibor. USA Falcons. Del Rosario. Jolard Asibor, diretso. Pull-up jumper is unsuccessful, but Doloso still unsuccessful para dito. 30 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. Back-to-back ball possession ng ating USA Falcons. Taking their time is USA Falcons. Jolard Asibor. Unsuccessful, but Doloso. Dadagdagan pa yan, Kyla, ng 2 puntos. Oh my gulay! What a basketball game we are watching right now. 84-78. Lamang po ng 6 na puntos itong ating USI Falcons with just 16 seconds remaining on our game clock. Look at that! Grabe yung pag-dominate itong ating USI Falcons doon sa last minutes ng ating 4th and final quarter. Oh my God, makukuha na ba natin, Kyla? Yung sagot, yes, yung sagot sa tanong. Kung sino makakakuha. Yes, ng championship tonight. Oh my goodness.
Ramdam ko ang kaba.
Wow.
Ngayon,
just wow.
Seconds. Ano kaya ang milagrong pwede pang mangyari dito sa ating last 16 seconds of our final quarter this evening? Grabe. What a game for the both team. I think the USA Falcons talagang commendable ang kanilang effort for this game. They are really determined to win this championship game. What a game. 16 seconds. Mga kaibigan, abangan natin.
Oh my goodness, Kyla. 16 seconds. What will happen here? Most especially NCF Tigers. Game changers yan. Hindi pwedeng basta-bastahin itong ating NCF Tigers. Titingnan natin kung paano nila babaguhin yung last 16 seconds nitong larong ito. Palilio for that sideline inbound. Now, Jimo. Powerful shot there by Jimo. Grabe. 84-80 is our score. Lamang pa rin po ng 4 na puntos itong ating USI Falcons with just 13 seconds remaining. Grabe yung mga pangyayari natin, Kyla, dito sa last quarter. Talagang unexpected. Nakita natin yung laro nitong ating USI Falcons. Talagang hindi mo pwedeng questionin kung paano sila nakaabot dito sa ating championship round. Talagang napakaganda ng kanilang pinakita. Now the defending champions, anong gagawin nila dito to defend their title as the OPL Season 1 champions?
Back to the ball game.
13 seconds remaining dito sa ating 4th quarter. 4-point lead by the USI Falcons. USI Basketball. Baseline inbound here by Ravalo. Now, Ravalo here to Del Rosario. Back to Ravalo, taking their time here. Asibor with just 6 seconds here for the Falcons. Asibor to look. Wow! Oh my goodness, Kyla.
Wow, we can see the emotions of the USI Falcons, knowing that they really work hard for this. Grabe. We can feel their emotion. The emotion of the coaches, the players. 2.3 seconds remaining. Grabe.
Oh my goodness, we can hear the crowd says, USI. Look at that. May prepare na yung ating USI Falcons na Type 4 champion. Meron din silang prepare for first runner-up. So, they are prepared kahit anong mangyari ngayong gabi, Kyla. But as we can see, 86-80. Look at that. USI Falcons, the champions for our OPL Season 2. Just wow! Look at that! Nag-iiyakan yung mga players nitong ating USI Falcons. Their hard work really paid off, Kyla.
Yes, indeed. Jasper, we can feel their emotion. Grabe. Yung pinagdaanan nila throughout the season. Throughout the season, yung effort. Grabe, commendable. USI
Wow,
Falcons.
just wow, Kyla. Congratulations once again, USI Falcons, for being the champions of OPL Season 2. Wow! Grabe! Napakagandang laro po yung natunghayan natin ngayong gabing ito. And also, congratulations to our NCF Tigers for being the first runner-up of OPL Season 2. Ayan, syempre, maganda rin yung pinakita nila sa atin ngayong gabi. Napakagandang laro po yung natunghayan natin. NCF Tigers, the defending champion for OBL, now stepping down as the first runner-up for OBL Season 2 dahil nasungkit po ng ating USI Falcons yung championship game natin ngayong gabing ito. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok, sumubaybay from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Maraming salamat po sa dumalo dito sa NCF Covered Court, and of course yung mga tumutok sa ating live stream via Oragon Sports TV, GNN CB48 Naga, and Oragon Basketball League. Don't go away dahil mamaya makikita natin or malalaman natin kung sino ang ating finals MVP only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Again, for our first runner-up for the Oragon Basketball League Season 2 WBN Sofia Cup, Naga College Foundation Tigers. Naga, please proceed to the center for the awards. Our first runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos, medals, and a trophy. Let's give it up for the Naga College Foundation Incorporated Tigers. Again, the first runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos in medals and their trophy. Again, let's give it up for the Naga College Foundation Incorporated Tigers. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, our newly crowned kings, the new champion of the Oragon Basketball League WBL Sofia Cup, the USA Spartans! Our champion will receive 30,000 pesos, medals, and a trophy. Once again, our newly crowned kings, the USI Falcons. And now, our finals MVP for the Oragon Basketball League Season 2 is none other than Rick Tulog Atibon. Team, the captain of the team, 20 persons for the Playbook Cafe, and finals MVP will receive shoe voucher. Once again, our finals MVP from the USI Falcons, Rick Tulog Atibon. And that is it for this day of finals here in Oragon Basketball League WB and Sofia Cup Season 2. Once again, this has been your host, Nino Mendoza, and congratulations to the new champions, the USI Falcons!